In today's video, I will teach you how to add a custom background in GIMP. Let's get started. Enhancing your photos by changing the background can make them more appealing and versatile. While software like Photoshop offers this capability, GIMP, a free alternative, provides powerful tools for achieving similar results. In this tutorial, we'll explore two methods for changing backgrounds in GIMP: the quick method, using the foreground select tool, and the advanced method, using the paths tool. Now let's start with the quick method, using the foreground select tool. This method is ideal for images with well-defined foreground objects and clear separation from the background. Start by drawing an outline. Select the foreground select tool and roughly outline the foreground object. GIMP will distinguish between the foreground and the background based on its selection. Now, paint over the entire foreground object, ensuring not to overlap with the background. GIMP will analyze the image and create a selection. Now press Enter to turn the foreground into a selection. Copy it by pressing Ctrl+C and paste it as a new layer by going to Edit, Paste As, then New Layer. Then create a new layer for the background and place it below the foreground layer. Paste an image or fill it with color, then use the Move tool or use the shortcut key M to position the foreground object. Now let's move on to the advanced method using the Paths tool. For images with detailed backgrounds or fuzzy edges, the Paths tool offers more precise control. Let's start by zooming in. Zoom in closely to place nodes just inside the edge of the object. Begin placing nodes around the object's edge, adding more in detailed areas and fewer in smoother regions. Connect the final node to the first one and press Enter to create a selection. Feather the edges slightly by going to Select, then Feather for a smoother transition. Then paste the selection as a new layer. Then add the new background layer beneath it. Resize and reposition the background using the Scale tool or use the shortcut key Shift-T, and Move tool or use the shortcut key M. Changing backgrounds in GIMP opens up endless creative possibilities for your photos. Whether you opt for the quick method or the advanced method, practice and experimentation will help you achieve professional-looking results. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.